Okay, little bunnies, we're gonna sing your new favorite song. How does it go? Favorite song. This is how it goes. Shabbat Shalom. Shabbat Shalom. Shabbat, 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 Shalom. Shabbat, 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 Shalom. Shabbat, 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 Shalom. Shabbat, Shalom. Shabbat, Shalom. Shabbat, 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 Shalom. Can you help me? Shabbat, 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 Shalom. Shabbat, 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 Shalom. Shabbat, Shalom. Hey, this is an interpretive dance for Shabbat Shalom. Are you dancing, Hazel Bunnies? Shabbat Shalom. Hey, Shabbat Shalom. Shabbat, 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 Shalom. Are you cleaning the floor with your shirt? Okay.